Hello everyone, welcome to our channel. So today in this tutorial, I'm going to quickly show you how do you fund Wise account. So let's get into the video. Firstly, go to your Wise account, like log into your account. So open up your account. So once you're logged in, so what you're going to do here is select the account that you want to fund it. For example, the currency that you want to fund it. For example, I'm using my Australian account here. So I'm going to click on it. So I'm going to add funds to this account here. So all you have to do now here is just click on the add button here. So click on add. All right, so once you click on the add button here, choose the fund, the amount that you want to send. For example, like $1 here, I'm just using that. And then I'm going to pay with Australian dollars. So I'm going to fund it with $1. So I'm going to click on continue. So once you click on continue here, the next step is that you're going to choose how you want to pay. So you can pay by using net banking or your bank transfer. So whatever that suits you, you can just choose any of those options. Like how do you want to get the funds from? So through which way? So click on it and then click on continue. So once you click on continue, then all you have to do now is just proceed with the payment. So you have to add in your bank details if you are paying by your bank card or credit card. So add in the details and then click on then proceed with that and complete the transaction. So in that way, your funds will be added to your Wise account. So that's how you actually fund your Wise account. So hope this video is helpful. I will see you guys in another video. Thank you.